how to stream data from WinCC OA to Snowflake. So I have created a WinCC OA to Snowflake streaming program, streaming manager, WinCC OA Manager, which is directly connected to WinCC OA, and with that one you can stream data with the new Snowpipe Streaming API. So this is much more efficient and also cheaper to bring data from your local factory to Snowflake. And yeah, let me show how to configure this. Currently the configuration is done in a JSON file. You define here the connectivity to your Snowflake account, to your database, and then you can define here one or more streams, and that one can be based on data point types, or type based. So that means you define here what data point elements you want to write in stream to a table together, and then you can define which data points you want to connect to and stream upstream to Snowflake. And here we define then the table, how the table looks like, and yeah, here we define the source. So this is reflecting the data point elements. And every time when one of these data point elements changes, then we have all the data of all the data point elements in the table in one row. And we also have the source time of the tag which has changed or triggered the action, let's say. Yeah? But you can also use it with instance-based configuration, so then you just can put many different data points plus data point elements together, and when one of this is changing, then we write it to one line into the table. So let's see and start the manager. So the manager is based on the Java Manager. So this one is not yet publicly available, officially available, let's say, from WinCC OA, but it is available open source on my GitHub account. And we see now it is connecting to Snowflake, and we see already that data is uploaded. Yeah, I have here running some simulation of the pump value speed. Yeah, and the Snowflake Streaming API is only available in Java. So luckily I have that Java Manager, and with that one it was implemented easily. And yeah, the tables are also automatically created. So the tables did not exist before in the database. Now I have started the manager, and now the tables are automatically created. And we will see here now, hopefully, already data in. Yeah, we already have streamed more than 1000 rows, and you see that you have here, here's a changing value, and the value speed is changing. The other ones are not changing, but we still have it in the table, and that makes analytic and reporting easier. And that is pretty nice, because we have in WinCC OA the concept of data point types, of machine types. Yeah, with that done, you can easily bring the data together in one table.